I totally believe that being creative isn't a hobby, it's a way of life. I don't think there is any job in this world where there is no place for creativity. It's about thinking about one specific job and trying to do it in a different way. I'm from a very conservative Brahmin family. My mother gave up a career in order to take care of me and my brother. Despite that, I think I've been really fortunate that I never faced any discrimination between a boy and a girl. I made the choice to become an engineer. I like to work with large teams and people. In the past few years, working with these huge teams and helping them in their regular routine works, helping them realize their potential, talking to them, understanding what their personal goals are and aligning them to the organization goals. It's been a tremendous journey. There was a lot of understanding from the organization side, and I think that's worked, and that's the relationship which is built over the past 11 and a half years. Many people ask me, are you still with ITC? I say that you give something to the organization and the organization in turn gives you something. In ITC, which is half of a startup kind of an environment, it gives us an ample amount of freedom to actually put in systems and try to establish new systems in the workplace and keeps you satisfied through your work. ITC is definitely a 100-year-old company. But being the 100-year-old company and having all the structures, processes, systems, everything in place, despite that, the kind of freedom which is given to youngsters when they join, fresh out of college, is huge. It definitely empowers you, and the job satisfaction it gives you. You start liking the organization that you work for and really looking up to the organization that you're working for, and that happens with ITC quite a lot. I don't think I get any special treatment or any concession because I'm a woman. I am treated equally, there are equal demands on my work. Definitely there is understanding, but that doesn't mean there is a concession. There are three things which are very important to me in life. One is contributing to people around you and spreading happiness. The second one, I always wanted to be an excellent leader. The third one is to contribute to women empowerment in some way. When I visit Trichy, I see the kind of difference that a women workforce can bring to the environment. I see a lot of positivity in the women who come to work. I am sure that everyone has put up a struggle to actually be there and do what they are doing. And the very fact that they're coming to a place and working and have their own income, the independence is seen in the way they talk and the way they express themselves. They're absolutely free, and that you can feel in a conversation when you have with them. One of the core values of ITC, which I truly believe in, and it's a mantra that I follow in my personal life, is respect for people. Whether it is an auto driver or a waiter in the restaurant, or it is your subordinate in office, or it is the person who is doing the housekeeping in the factory. That core value really remains with me wherever I go.